Hey guys, welcome to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to log out Kraken account from logged in devices. So first you just need to open your Kraken application. Now let me show you from the very beginning. You just need to tap on your profile like in the top left corner. After that you just need to go to the device management, and from here you'll find all the devices that are currently logged in with your Kraken account. Now if you want to remove it from your Kraken application or Kraken account, then you can just swipe it to the left and it will just ask for the removal process, confirming the removal process. So you just need to tap on yes, or you can just swipe all over left, and if you don't want to remove it, then you can tap on no. So if you tap on yes, it will immediately delete or log out that device from your Kraken account. So that's how you can just easily log out Kraken account from logged in devices and other logged in devices. Hope you got this. If so, then give it a thumbs up, leave a comment below, and thanks for watching. Till next time.